Hello everybody, this is Dr. Din at your service, and we are doing today Botox and a little bit of filler. So let me tell you, we are going to be doing Botox on my beautiful client. She's going to do, when was the last time we did it?
Early June.
Early June. So it lasted a good 3 to 4 months, and usually Botox lasts how long? Well, like around 2 to 3 months is normal. If you are going through a lot of stress, it might last a little less. But anyway, so we are going to be doing her Botox, and I'm going to do a little bit of filler on her brow because she has like a little line there that is that just keeps getting deeper and deeper, and we don't try to fix that with Botox. We try to fix it with the filler. And then we're going to do a little bit of filler around her mouth area, because around our mouth, because we're eating, talking, we lose a lot of collagen around the mouth. So she has lost some, and we do it regularly to maintain her. And I'm going to do a tiny bit of lip filler for her. I'm going to also put a little bit of Botox around her lip. It's going to give her like a nice plumpish look. And let's see how that goes. She has been numbed. Well, the camera is a little far, you guys can't see. She has like the perfect cheekbone ever.
I don't know about perfect, but thank
like totally like, and this is natural. That part you were gifted, you know, that's a gift. All right, let's do it. Smile. So she sleeps more on one side, so I can see that on one side she has more collagen loss, and that's a very normal thing to have a little bit of a discrepancy on both sides. Massage your face.
Never.
We must always massage our face.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to massage your face today.
Okay.
And do it like 2-3 times
A week.
a week.
Okay.
It will help you stimulate your own collagen, and it will also keep your fillers really nice, and they will never bunch up
Okay.
anywhere. Yeah. It's kind of a maintenance for the filler.
I didn't know that.
Yes, that is also a video I need to make.
Yes.
Smile. Okay. Have I ever given you the Cupid's bow?
I don't think so.
I haven't given you a Cupid's bow ever? How's that possible?
What?
Okay, so I should do it today.
Okay.
I'll give you a tiny bit of Cupid's bow.
Okay.
Let me show you what it looks like right now.
Okay. Oh my gosh, so much better.
I know, but the thing is that I want to give you like a little bit here, and it's gonna hurt a little, but I want to go here in the middle. Okay. Let's do it, because you have like a really nice Cupid's
Yeah.
bow, but like, you know, I want to
And you
like,
did it here.
yeah, I did it here,
Okay.
but I want to, you know, see in the middle there's like nothing, and you have
Yeah.
like these lines that are forming. I want to, but that is like the most sensitive spot, so don't
Okay.
hate me.
Okay.
Not that bad, right? I'm going to massage it later. I'm going to do your eyebrow. These are your eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Nice. Much better. Because you will see like a difference with that. Now raise it again. This is the other one.
Yeah.
So I will do your therapy or perio threads whenever you're ready. I would suggest to get ready this winter.
Would you start with all therapy?
Yeah, 200%. But you know, therapy, sometimes I do fillers after therapy. So, you know, I'll do your therapy and then probably you will, you know, it'll be time to do your, when are you going to do your laser? Find out that. I wanna start your beauty calendar, you know, so when is your laser, and between your lasers we'll put your therapy in.
Okay.
Because you're going somewhere else, so I wanna, you know, because there's certain procedures you can't do after certain procedures. So for instance, if you do a therapy, you should avoid fillers or Botox for a month.
Okay.
These are the rules. So, you know, as the Botox settles, you're going to see that this filler is going to start healing that area.
Okay.
And then let's not let the Botox go away this time,
Okay.
you know, completely, because that makes the lines worse
Okay.
faster.
So I should schedule it for another 3 months.
Yeah, another 3 months, you know, before it goes out of your system. I'm going to now massage your lip, and then I'm going to put a tiny bit of Botox.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth. Close your mouth. Smile. Nice. Let me show you the mirror. How nice, right?
Yeah. Oh my
I
gosh.
like it.
So much better.
So much better. I want to put a tiny bit more here
Okay.
on this side. You see it?
Yeah.
This is fine. And I'm going to give you the Botox in this area
Here.
and a tiny bit here. A tiny bit here. Make a sad face. Yes, a tiny bit. See this, you're getting the chin cellulite.
Chin cellulite?
Yeah, chin dimpling. It's called peau d'orange.
Okay, I don't want that.
It's called, yeah, you know, so that is, you know, this is, you know, you do that, see?
Yeah.
It keeps getting deeper.
Okay. Let's not do that, but yeah, I do
Yeah,
see this.
tiny bit here. I'll put.
Okay. Okay, cool. Looks great.
I know. It looks awesome already. Now make a sad face. We're doing a very little one, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I think you're gonna love it. But let's see how you feel with it. If you like it, then we'll just add it to your regimen every time.
Okay.
Until you stop doing those those mouth shapes.
Okay.
All right, everything is done.
Awesome.
Now I'm gonna show you how to massage your face.
Okay.
And then we're done. Thank you for watching, everybody.